Good morning. Good morning. This is CEO Trades, where money works for you. Today is Friday, just before the July 4th weekend, July 2nd. And today, what are we looking at here? First, let's look at the crypto markets and see what's moving, what is up on top, and so on. Let's take a look here. As we can see on CoinStacks, Bitcoin is usually at the top with a volume of 2 trillion in the last 24 hours. In the um, second place is Ethereum with 625 billion. That's almost was less. It's about a third, just a little under a third of what Bitcoin is. And then for third place, we have Tether. Tether is only at 206 billion. And then Binance Coin. Binance has had a lot of news, a lot of negative news. So there are a few countries that are banning the use of Binance. So they're having to move a lot of money into safe and secure wallets. So just get ready as you start to hear more and more about this news. Bitcoin Cash, 3.7 billion, Ethereum Classic, 3.2 billion. You can see that most of these have had a little drop. I'd say 2 to 3% is norm. That is an average drop. Don't expect that you'd get 30% from these right here. However, it can happen. Theta Networks, it dropped 7%. If you want to look into any more of these, I suggest you can either go into CoinStats, which I pay a small fee for, or you can also go into Coin Market Cap. Here we are. Now, Coin Market Cap shows me the top gainers in the last 24 hours. You can see Link Guy had 53% gain. Everrise had a 74% gain. They're not in order right now. Let's just put them in order of top gainers. Here's 702% for Kitten Token. Now, will this move more? Will it not? I don't know. I'm not the one to tell because I don't know all of these coins. I'd have to do some research to be able to tell you this. But let's just take a look into one of these and see where Kitten Token fits in here. As the chart gets ready to populate up here, and we can tell you a little bit more. Okay, so the live kit token price today is 386 minus 7 USD with a 24-hour trading volume of 81,000 USD. Yeah, let's see, read more coin. Here we go. What is crypto faucet? KTN. What is it? I don't see much information. It usually just pops up right here. We will have NFTs, art with famous artists coming up, especially with pets art. This is also a great saving tool. And now we can see here the actual chart. I don't like this linear chart. Let's go into trading view. Usually presents a much nicer chart to look at than just this linear uh, contraption that comes up, and you can't really tell where it's going. Let's see as it gets ready to pop up here. Let's see what other information is down here. Place your estimate. At least one to see. Others estimate. Let's see. Submit estimate. What is it? Whoops. Okay. So I'm locked out of my account here. I won't be able to add. Let me see if I can log in automatically up here. If I can, I'd be able to show you some more information. Yep, there we go. And boom, once we log in, we'll be able to take in on more information in here. Token. Why am I showing you this? Because a lot of people go after these tokens that are up 100%, 50%, 200, 300%. But what happens after they see that? It's a little too late. It's a little too late because if you didn't catch it at the moment, then guess what? That's it. That's what happens. Uh, the reality is that a lot of these tokens will move according to hype, and some people will pump them. This is what they are known. You can see here. Let's see the chart. Where is my chart? What's going on? Let me just refresh this screen because it's possible that as I logged in, it might have stopped it from loading up the chart. And as the chart loads up, what other information is down here? Let's see if now we can see this information that is coming up here. Sorry for that phone. It will be taken off in a moment. Thank you. Thank you very much. And this chart, I guess we're not going to be able to see much of it at all. Let's see if we can get a different chart. It's a little slow on here. Now, this is part of the negative sides to having free software. You don't get to see everything. And let's see if we can populate up here KTN. Let's see what happens. KTN. Is that it? Kitten coin. I believe that's what it is. Oh, actually, it comes up as katana here. Now that is weird. Let's see. Maybe I entered it wrong. KTN, kitten token. Let's try that again. Kitten token. And as it comes up here, we should be able to probably look at it here. Let's see if it comes up. No, it's not added in here. So the closest we're going to get is to, okay, that's the chart, that linear chart. I don't like it too much. You can see it's pretty much where it started. That's where it's at right now. It's back down. That's what happens when these spike up so quickly. It went up to how many zeros? 6.060, and then a 5. And now it's back down to what? To somewhere around. That's with these linear charts. You can't really tell. Let's see if there's a way to zoom in down here. Nope, it won't allow me to zoom in that easily. Let's see if I can get in the 1-minute chart. I think this is it. Or is this the monthly chart? If this is monthly, I'm not going to be able to see a lot. But yeah, this is the monthly chart. So let's just move on. This kitten coin made us waste a few minutes of our time. Oh, here it is. You can see it's back down right around here, 0.60 to 3. So it's back down. It went up, it spiked up. And that's what happens with a lot of these cryptos, especially the ones that are highly volatile. And it's very good to be aware of that. A lot of these uh, micro pennies stocks, coins are highly volatile. They're going to go up, they're going to go down. But here are the ones that I like to see, just as we saw coin uh, in coin stats. You can see here Bitcoin is on top. The average volume traded in the last 24 hours. Ethereum, you can see what their changes in the last 7 days, 24 hours. That's why I like the software. Coin market cap seems to be much more inclusive than coin stats. I'm probably going to be doing the move, not right now, but I will be as I get ready to get out of coin stats and jump into coin market. It takes a bit of information. I have to load in a lot of software and then get going, as you can see here. Now, why are we looking at this? Because today it's the start before the July 4th weekend. The markets in general become slower, and it's good that you're aware of what goes on in a lot of these coins and stocks. Let's just take a look at the market moves here. This is uh, let's see. This is JetBlue right now. And as we look at JetBlue, we can see that the airlines are moving right now because people are traveling. People are traveling. And as the airlines move, the stocks usually move. So this one is on a downtrend. Why is it on a downtrend? JetBlue starts direct service to Kalispell, Montana. Whoopee. JetBlue begins service to, well, it's the same thing. Venture capital unit invests in rental market intelligence firm. I don't know why people are dumping. I can't tell you that because it's not showing the information here. It's probably being shown somewhere else, and that's just not good. I'm guessing that JetBlue is going to be coming out with some rough news as this stock went from what it was at almost 20 the other day. Let me just look at that again. It was almost 17.37 yesterday. You can't see it here. Let me just get another chart in here. The 1 hour chart should be able to give you more. Okay, so back on June 8th, it was at 1944 and it went down to 1662. It's at 17 right now. As you can see, I'm down. I have a loss of 800. I don't let this bother me too much because I know in the long run, this stock, this investment will go up to closer to 30. And when it goes up to 30, I'll be up at least $3,000, and that should be pretty good. Now, will I purchase a dip? I know not yet because I don't know what's going on. I could look at other software to see what's going on, but right now I just want to show you that in general, stocks are slower because of the weekend, holiday weekend, and people take from Thursday afternoon off. And I don't think you're going to see much more of a move than what you're seeing here. Now let's see some of the other ones. This is Plug. Plug is at 32. It was at 34 the other day. Now it's at 32.5. I'm still holding for the long term. I'm holding to get to this one to at least 60-ish or so, 60 or just barely 60. Uh, Turks is way down. Turks, I'm losing and losing and losing money. Although I didn't put a lot, I put 200 shares. I am down at least $2,000 or $3,000. I don't see that it's going to come up anytime soon, but I am going to hold for a little bit longer because this is one of the bank institutions in China, and I believe it will move. Land is a very good investment. I've been watching it since it was at 17. It's at 24.9 now, right now, pretty much. That's a very, very good move. AEMD is around the same price when we started looking at it. FCell is way down. It's half of what it should be, at least, if not much, much more. Bitcoin, you can see another look here at 33,400. And let's jump back into another software here. Whoops, give me a second. As we look into KuCoin. There we go. KuCoin. KuCoin can show you a bit. I like it because it gives you about 7 or 8 different cryptos up here. EOS is still dropping. Wow. I'd say it's still a good buy. This morning, I purchased a few. I purchased BAT. I purchased, what else did I purchase? I purchased Ethereum and I purchased BAT. And what was the third one? Geez, blanked out. I believe it was Doge, most probably. Yep, I believe that those are the three. And why do I purchase them? Because in the long run, Safe Moon. Sorry, I purchased Safe Moon. I purchased uh, not a lot, but about 100 million coins, and that is for a long-term hold because Safe Moon eventually will go up. They have a purpose. They have a why that is fulfilling for me, and it's going to move. EOS, we talked about this last night in our class. I believe this is going to go up in the next few days because of the 3-day weekend. This one might not move until Monday or onward, or so. It depends on when people get back from vacation. Some people like to take the whole week off, and they won't get back until the other weekend, which would be the 11th of July or so. So just get ready. Markets might be a little sluggish, but it will come back. It will come back. So that's it for today. I don't know if it's worthwhile taking a look at any more, as in general, it's a little bit slow trading day. Let's just see on Ethereum and Bitcoin. Let's see what they're trading at. And I would say they're on a downtrend. Well, this one moved up a little bit, but you can see here it's starting to sell off. And let's see, Bitcoin as well is it's been holding off at 33,000 since yesterday. Did it make a move? I think it went up to 35 and then back down. Is that right? Yep, 35 and then back down. So that's where we're at with the markets right now. I don't see much of a move going on. I see it slowing down with the amount of volume. Yeah. Yep. The volume is lower than it normally is. So that's it for today. I don't think it's a worthwhile day to invest unless you're looking to get the bottom, which these are good for the bottom. EOS is very good at 381. We've got Tron Case at 0.06, Doge at 24 cents, Matic at 106, and BAT at 55. SafeMoon is also good. That's these are just some of the coins that are out there that are waiting for you to take into your pockets and hold them for a while in your wallets. So that's it for now. This is CEO Trade signing off. Remember, if you're going to invest in your knowledge account, because if you do, your money account will grow multiplied. Have a great weekend. Stay safe and happy 4th of July.